Zhejiang LINGSUN Industry and Trading Company Limited is rising like a sunrise. LINGSUN is a professional manufacturer which specialized in designing, researching, producing and selling ATVs, dirt bikes, electric scooters and relevant spare parts and so on. In 2008, LINGSUN actively responded to the national policy of Belt and Road and combines going out with introduction and opened a Dubai branch, Sunshine International Trading FZCO. LINGSUN takes unity, hard work, innovation, dedication as its enterprise spirit, people-oriented, honesty and win-win as its enterprise principle, sensitive, fast and brave, which is the characteristics of Falcon as its enterprise style, and quality first, customer first as its enterprise purpose. The products continue to attract the attention of customers at home and abroad, with advantages of safety, innovation, high-cost performance, and won the favor of customers. LINGSUN has many advanced assembly lines and a complete set of testing equipment. The annual production capacity reaches 750,000 units, and the products are 100% quality tested, so qualified and environmentally friendly products are sold all over the world. With ISO 9001 Quality Management System certificates and ICTI, CE, GCG, and SASO certificates issued by the International Toy Association, LINGSUN has reached a strategic partnership with many domestic and foreign customers with a three-dimensional sales layout and a win-win cooperation concept. The products are sold to the United States, Britain, France, Australia, South Korea, the Middle East, South Africa, South America, and many other countries, and have won unanimous praise from consumers at home and abroad. On a sunny holiday, driving the Falcon ATV with the aim to release pressure, enjoy the passion of youth, enjoy the joy of sports, and experience a beautiful life.